Hi, my name is Carrina Lau. In this channel, you'll learn tips on how to have more energy, focus, and productivity. Today, I'm going to share with you how to use your breath to support a powerful meeting. So there are 3 different ways you could use your breath to support a powerful meeting. Part 1 is our ability to fully listen. A lot of times when other people are speaking, we're having our own thoughts in our mind. It could be a to-do list of the days, or what we're going to do for the weekend, or what we're going to say. As soon as that person is done with a sentence, like we know we're constructing the reply while they're speaking. We might hear what they're saying, but we cannot fully listen. But when we take a breath, the breath brings us back to the present moment where we are aware and mindful of everything that is happening at this very moment. We're not distracted by anything that happened in the past or worry anything that might happen in the future. Can hear fully what other people are saying. Part 2. Getting a point across. A singer must use deep breathing to project a strong voice across a whole crowded auditorium to get to every single audience. Our ability to harness our breath is the most important area within public speaking. We could use the breath to support our sentences. For example, if I say, there's something I want to say, so instead of, there's something I want to say, if I use my breath, it will sound like, there's something I want to say. As you can tell, the word sounds more powerful and there's an energy behind the words. Most of the time, people don't really hear the words that we're speaking. What they're hearing and what they're feeling is the power behind our words. So using a breath to support our sentences when we speak is a very powerful tool to have our communication land and to get our point across. Part 3. Staying focused. We live in a fast-paced, time is money world. We push to do more things all at once and do it fast. We often jump from task to task, people to people, project to project, thing to thing, event to event. In other words, too much multitasking teaches our brain to have less efficient and shorter attention span. So it takes an effort nowadays to be able to focus. But when we take a breath, again, we're here in this moment. We are mindful that whatever is happening in this moment, we're not distracted by anything happened in the past or anything might happen in the future. We are here and now and fully present. So now you know how to use the power of your breath to support a powerful meeting. So with that, let's take some deep breaths together. The breath we're going to be taking today is called the breath of peace. We're going to be taking 4 counts of inhalations and 8 counts of exhalations. So we're going to be inhale through our nostrils, bring the breath into the deeper parts of our lungs, engaging our diaphragm, feeling our lower 2 ribs expand out while we inhale, and contract while we exhale. And lastly, we're going to exhale through our nostrils. Alright, so I would invite you to please sit up straight. Imagine there's a string hanging from the top of the ceiling to the ground, and your spine is straight. And your hip is fully supported on the chair or on the ground. And just take a moment to feel how it feels like to be in the moment. Ready? In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. feel how it feels like to be fully present. And you have the ability to bring yourself back to this moment anytime you want, using the power of your breath. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Great work today. I would love to hear your comment. How do you usually stay focused? Please put the answer in the comment below. And also, I've prepared a step-by-step guide to how to breathe correctly, and you could click it in the link below to download. And if you like this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.